Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting and futuristic topics out there, terraforming Mars. You've probably heard of terraforming before. It's the process of transforming a planet to make it habitable for humans. And while it might sound like science fiction, it's actually a concept that has been studied for decades. And one of the most promising ways to terraform Mars involves the use of lasers. So, how can lasers help us terraform Mars? Well, let's start with a quick overview of the planet's current environment. Mars is a cold, dry, and dusty planet with a very thin atmosphere. It has a surface gravity only about 1/3 of Earth's and no protective magnetic field. All of these factors make it a challenging environment for human habitation. One of the most significant obstacles to terraforming Mars is its lack of atmosphere. Without an atmosphere, the planet cannot retain heat, and any liquid water would quickly evaporate. But here's where lasers come in. Scientists have proposed using lasers to vaporize the carbon dioxide ice at Mars' South Pole, creating a thick atmosphere that could help warm the planet. The idea is that the lasers would be pointed at the ice, causing it to sublimate directly from solid to gas, and releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Once enough carbon dioxide has been released, it would create a greenhouse effect, trapping heat and warming the planet. This, in turn, would cause more of the ice to melt, releasing even more carbon dioxide and creating a positive feedback loop. Of course, this is easier said than done. There are a few major challenges to using lasers to terraform Mars. First, we need to figure out how to get the lasers to the planet in the first place. One proposal involves using a network of mirrors in space to direct the laser beams to the planet's surface. Another challenge is the sheer scale of the project. We would need an enormous amount of energy to power the lasers, and we would need to vaporize a massive amount of ice to create a thick atmosphere. But despite these challenges, the idea of using lasers to terraform Mars is an exciting one. It's a concept that combines cutting-edge technology with the bold vision of exploring and colonizing other planets. And who knows, one day we may look back and see this as the beginning of a new era of human exploration and settlement. Oh, and one more thing before we wrap up. The use of lasers to terraform Mars is not just a futuristic concept. In fact, it has already been tested in laboratory conditions. In 2018, a team of researchers from the University of Central Florida conducted an experiment in which they used a high-powered laser to simulate the sublimation of carbon dioxide ice on Mars. The experiment was successful, and it showed that lasers could indeed be used to create a thick atmosphere on the planet. But this is just the beginning. If we want to make terraforming Mars a reality, we must continue researching and developing this technology. It's an ambitious goal that could have far-reaching benefits for humanity. By making another planet habitable, we could solve some of the problems we face on Earth, such as overpopulation, climate change, and resource depletion. So, let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible and continue exploring the vast and exciting universe around us. Who knows what other amazing discoveries and technologies we will uncover in the years to come? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.